Hello and welcome to another update video about gold. Extremely pleased how this is working out. I had to listen to a lot of negative comments here in the last few weeks that I'm too bullish about gold, but no, it's coming, it's moving, it's working out so far. We just need to make sure that we understand that below 1889 this structure will probably break again. But for now, we can focus on being in this third wave as sketched out here. We talked already, I think a couple of weeks ago or a week ago about the idea that, no, it must have been a couple of weeks, that either wave 2 is already in here. So basically that off the Monday, the 27th of Feb low, we moved up in 5 waves in a wave 1 of a third wave. Yeah, that we then came down in a wave W, moved up in an X wave, and then maybe another Y wave, or that wave 2 was already in. Both possible. We hit the trend reversal area, fulfilled here minimum requirements. So I'm going to change that now to wave 2 most likely already in. Again, always when they hit these trend reversal areas, we need to be ready for a move. And yeah, possibly now in this third wave. It has literally only just broken the wave 1 high. So for now, this is the information and confirmation we have that the trend has shifted here, or not shifted, but the trend is continuing to the upside. I want to talk about the target for the third wave in this video. We're looking now, based on what I see now, so for a third wave, well, ideally 2,274 US dollars. Subwave structure, I mean, this could be a small 1-2 setup here, and then here another 1-2, and maybe now the third wave. So if we talk about the subwave structure, but yeah, for now, trend is up, especially against the wave 2 low of 1938. Dropping below that would not necessarily be bearish. It could just mean that the wave 2 is unfolding as some kind of a flat pattern here. But the yellow support area remains relevant for now. Yeah, so again, ideally we're holding now this swing low of, what is it, 1938. But if we lose it, it would not be a disaster. Yeah, it would not be a disaster. It would just mean that we probably retest lower support areas in this box. But below 1889, there is then a increased risk that it's going to break down, and we retest support in the green box between 1694 and 1838. Only below 1694, this is going to turn bearish. Okay, so for now, focus is on higher. I just need to issue a word of warning that we're now getting into regions where, yes, surely we are going to move up further, but, and I haven't talked about that in a while, but my projection here, at the moment at least, and I will very, very carefully observe price action in the coming weeks, my projection is that this is going to be, if this plays out further, yeah, we get that third wave in, the fourth and the fifth, maybe eventually getting into the region around $2,500 to $2,600, that this will be the end of a major cycle. Okay, that's at least the current interpretation. I'm going to observe price action very, very carefully and closely in the coming weeks to give you a clearer picture as we get there. But we have some time. Yeah, we have some time. I might change my view, but the overall projection is that this here in December 2015 was a larger wave 4 low. Since then, we moved up in a 1, 2, 3. This low, which was made in October 22 at around $1,600, was a wave 4, and now the wave 5. But it's not only the wave 5 of the yellow cycle, it's the wave 5 of the blue-green cycle as well. So this is the major cycle, so there is not much more. This is really going to be the end of a cycle. So it's going to be highly interesting, okay? Now, of course, they can always extend out. They can always extend out. But the thing is, after having 5 waves to the upside, in this 5th wave, we need to be ready that this could break down seriously. Seriously, at least again to $1,000, I would say. Okay. Now, need to warn you, because we need to see, I mean, take it level by level for now, But of course, this move up could just be the first wave of that fifth wave. We could then still come down in a wave 2 of 5, wave 3 of 5, wave 4 of 5, wave 5 of 5. But after 5 waves up, theoretically, we have fulfilled minimum requirements to complete this fifth wave. So that's where we then need to be watching. Now, I don't think we need to be in a hurry or in a rush here. We haven't even broken above the third wave high. No, not yet, but nearly, which was made here in September 2020, August 2020. We talk here about around about $2,090. This will be next key resistance on the way up. But it's going to be interesting. Yeah, really interesting. Good price action by gold and bullish price action as well. Yeah. Remember what we talked about back basically a year ago, that I think we were up here somewhere, that we would most likely get into this region around 1600, 1700 before seeing a recovery, which we're seeing now. And then forecast was around $2,500 for the fifth wave. Important to highlight that below 1600, the whole thing will get unreliable, but that danger seems to be gone. Yeah, I always highlighted the importance of the $1,600 level. But yeah, this is sort of gold. Yeah, and it's looking good. A lot of people interested again, and let's see how it plays out and how the next few days play out. It should, not will, but it should now stay above 1938 and continue to push to the upside. And I guess if we get a bit more price action, I'm going to have a lower degree wave count for this as well, but I already gave you an idea that this could be a 1-2 setup. Here another 1-2, and we could now be rallying in a third wave of a third wave. So I keep you updated. Hope you liked the update about gold. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.